The Treaty of Versailles was the most significant agreement made after World War I ended. It was signed on 28 June 1919 and marked the end of the war between Germany and the Allied powers. The Allied powers during World War I included countries such as France, the United Kingdom, Russia, and later the United States, among others. These nations formed a coalition to oppose the Central Powers, which included Germany, Austria-Hungary, the Ottoman Empire, and others. The treaty was put together mainly at the Paris Peace Conference at the Palace of Versailles in France. This treaty put harsh punishments on Germany, such as taking away its land, limiting their military, and imposing strict rules for them to follow. Here are some key provisions of the Treaty of Versailles. Territorial changes. Germany lost a lot of land, including places like Alsace-Lorraine, Eupen-Malmedy, and parts of other regions were given to neighboring countries, like Alsace-Lorraine was given to France, while Eupen-Malmedy was received by Belgium. New countries like Poland and Czechoslovakia were created. Military limits. Germany had to remove its military from the Rhineland area, keep its army small with no more than 100,000 soldiers, and get rid of its air force. The treaty also said Germany couldn't have certain weapons and military gear. Blame for the war. Article 231, called the War Guilt Clause, blamed only Germany and its allies for starting the World War I. This made many Germans feel embarrassed and angry, which helped fuel nationalistic feelings in the country. Reparations. Germany had to pay money to the countries it fought against to make up for the damage from the war. At first, they were supposed to pay 132 billion gold marks, but later the amount was made less because Germany couldn't afford it. The Treaty of Versailles has been controversial. Many historians argue that its harsh terms made things worse in Germany. They say it didn't solve the real problems in Europe and instead caused more conflict. They think it helped Hitler become powerful and caused World War II. They say the treaty didn't solve the real problems in Europe, so instead of bringing long-lasting peace, it caused more conflict. Now, here are some multiple choice questions about the Treaty of Versailles to make sure you really understand.
Don't be afraid. Down, down. Down. Don't be afraid. Down, down. Down, down. Want you to me. I want you to myself. I let you down, down. Want you to me. I